In this video, we are going to show you how to add a store locator map in Elfsight. Now, once you log into your account, you want to click or hover your mouse here on top of widgets, on top like so. Once you're here, you want to go all the way to tools and then search for store locator, right? So it's going to be around here, as you can see, right? Store locator, click on it. It's going to bring us to the page, right? So here you want to click on create widget for free. It's going to slide down until you see there's only one option. So all we need to do is click here on the green button on the bottom left that says continue with this template, like so. Here you can add manually, right? You can import from CSV. When it comes to the directory, you can just change it and customize as much as you want. When it comes to filters, same thing. And you can actually customize the style too to fit your brand. After you go through everything and you're satisfied, all you need to do is click on the green button again. It says add to website for free and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.